Why people are speculating about this separation is something that is not really new to me. Because, once you are in a certain level of happiness, people will always want to see you down, out, and sad. This is Alwad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ulso Baldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Kitty Show. Tarayan na talakayan ng Showbiz Edition. This was a subject of a blind item, and then a very brave person named the subject matters. And according to a very brave person, huwag na natin pangalanan, basta sa X niya pinangalanan na di umano, hindi nga di umano sa kanya. Para sa kanya, kumpirmadong si Arjo Atayde daw at si Maine Mendoza ay hiwalay na. At ang hiwalayan ito ay supposedly 4 na buwan na ang hiwalayan. Nananalig ka ba sa chikang ito, Mare? Nahiwalay na si Arjo at si Maine.
Alam mo, I checked
Okay.
yung Instagram account nila.
Si Maine at ni Arjo?
Oo.
Okay.
I found out na the last posts were March pa.
Ni Arjo.
Pati ni Maine.
Maine.
Oo. So March, April, May, June, July.
4 months na nga.
4 months na nga.
Mm.
But, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, there's nothing happening between them. Maybe they don't want to share.
Okay.
Diba? Kaya sila.
Quiet sila.
Oo, kaya
Which is
quiet
tama
sila.
naman because
Diba?
lalo na nga't Arjo is like in a certain precarious situation. So it's best to keep quiet and not flaunt in public what is happening between them.
Pero I noticed din, parang there was an April 4, I don't know what April 4, July 4 pala, July 4 meant to them, parang may isang naligaw na parang, hindi ko alam kung last year yon o ano, basta parang anniversary. Kasi parang may something like anniversary posted. Hindi ko alam kung what is that
Kung
for.
recent yun or a year ago.
O ganon. I cannot recall now kung recent yun or just like last July lang, di ba?
And also, dati, May is also very active sa X, sa Twitter. Ngayon, hindi na rin. Simula rin nung I checked her account sa X, hindi na rin siya kasang active. Ang last niya rin was like 4 months ago. Hindi ko alam, I don't know kasi if it's Arjo is also in X. But si Maine, dati kasi lahat post siya ng post Patol siya ng patol sa kung ano-ano mga bagay-bagay. And she always make it a point to correct wrong information automatically. Lalo na sa X. So ngayon, parang wala siyang reaction doon sa nasabing blind item na pinangalanan na sila. I hope that the couple is like just nasa isang very trying situation at maaayos pa nila kung ano man ang dapat ayusin. At ayokong paniwalaan naman ng face value na totoo yung hiwalayan kasi mali na agad yung isang angle na pinakakalat nila, di ba? They were saying na nagfa-followan na si John Lloyd Cruz at si Maine Mendoza na when you checked, anong nangyari?
When I checked the Instagram account, Diyos ko, alam mo, mabibilang mo talaga, you can easily check because kay JLC,
Wala pa atang 20, di ba?
22 lang ang fina-follow niya eh. So, klaro, in just, wala pang 1 minute, yung 22, mara-rundown mo eh. Wala naman si Maine
Wala
eh.
si Maine. So, ibig sabihin...
Si naman 700, ni-rundown ko. Wala din naman eh.
Si Arjo.
Si Maine.
Si Maine.
Oo, nahilo-hilo nga ako. Dami. Ginaganong-ganong ko.
So, ibig sabihin nun, yung the angle na sinasabi nung sa blind item na pinangalanan na nagfa-followan is a fallacy. Walang katotohanan at isang malaking kasinungalingan. So, wag nating ipilit dahil they're not really following each other. Not unless
naka-private.
Diba? Pwedeng
Mahirap
ganon.
yun eh.
Diba?
Mahirap yun eh.
Oo.
Kasi tsaka hindi naman naka-private kasi yung dalawa eh.
Oo.
Kasi makikita mo naman kung naka-private eh. Pag open mo sa account nila, malalaman mo kung naka-private sila. Eh hindi naman eh. They're public eh. Kaya alam mo na walang following na nagaganap.
Hindi ko curious ako. Sa IG ba, hindi ka pwedeng mag-private privately send ng DM sa isang person kahit hindi kayo friends or you follow each other? Yung
Not,
private to private?
Hindi, kasi parang hindi Kasi parang hindi niya marireceive kasi naka-private siya, not unless you were friends na pareho kayong private.
Hindi, yun nga, parang, di ba sabi mo nga,
Magre-request ka ng ng acceptance niya.
Para makasulat
Para
ka sa
makasulat
kanya.
ka sa kanya. Ganun
And then you
yun.
become friends.
When kung na-approve niya, and then kasama ka na dun sa niya, sa private niya, private na nasa circle of friends niya.
At makikita yon.
Makikita among those yung mga circle of friends lang niya kasi naka-private ka
Okay.
Ako minsan gusto kong gawin yun, naka-private lang ako. So hindi ko matatanggap lahat ng
But kasi sabi mo nga, the account of both Maine and JLC are
Public.
both public. So walang ganong mechanism.
Not unless they have yung other accounts na sila lang nakakaalam.
Pwede.
Pwede. 'Di ba? They can do that na ay gawa mo nga ako ng pangalawang account para these are my real friends, real select free lang
so that is a theory na pwede. Pero as of today, sa mga nakita mo, walang Maine Mendoza sa JLC group of people that he follows at wala rin JLC sa group of people that Maine follows. So, isang malaking drawing pala yung angle na yon.
Yeah.
For now.
Kaya doon sumablay yung blind item na pinangalanan. 'Di ba? Actually, yung iba yung nag-blind item, iba yung nagpangalan. 'Di ba? Kaya ang burden of proof parang nasa kanilang dalawa. Kasi yung blind item is very blatant yung yung mga descriptions 'di ba? Very
kuha mo kaagad.
Full of clues, 'di ba? Yung talagang utterly blatant kasi pinangalanan
niya talaga.
'Di ba? Yung isang
Tapos
account.
yung isang account pa kinasabi na hindi niya sure kung kailan nagsimula yung para pa-followan. Kung mas nauna pa dun sa hiwalayan or whatsoever.
Before, Pero hindi siya nag-check. Dapat nag-fact check siya. 'Di ba?
So,
kasi what he was claiming was not true.
Saka, I understand if there is a dispute in the marriage, lalo na nga, pareho namang matatalino, si Maine at si Arjo, they'd rather keep mum about it kung totoong meron. Diba? Kasi wala naman tayong resibo except for that blind item na pinangalanan ng kung sino man.
At saka parang parang they've learned their lessons now. Less talk, less mistake.
Yes.
Di ba ganun ang nila? Parang that is what they are following now.
Which is tama naman talaga. Lalo na kasi hindi lang personal ang pinaglalaban ni Ginoong Atayde, di ba?
Yeah,
Meron siyang mga political issues na siya lang talaga makakasagot. At labas naman si Maine doon. Di ba? So, let's just hope that whatever are the political issues of Congressman Atayde, maayos niya.
At saka hindi.
Saka ako, I always believe na you are innocent until you are proven guilty by law. So, itong point na ito, wala tayong karapatang husgahan si Arjo dahil lahat naman yan na elegasyon. Diba? Hanggang napapatunayang guilty siya, doon lang ako mananalig na, oo nga. Lahat ng sinasabi na ngayon, I will take it with a grain of salt.
Ang ano kasi diyan is ang parang lumalabas kasi na they are dismissing the allegations indirectly by not dignifying any form of di ba? Kay blind item yan, kay yan, ganon. Which is healthy for them. Kasi why be bothered by things that other people don't think about you, di ba? Parang ganon.
Lalo hiwalayan.
Tsaka parang they knew themselves so much na para makarried sila away sa mga lumalabas sa social media, di ba?
Sa mga chikang
kasi ang ano lang doon kasi ang very very obvious was there was a time, whether they accept it or not, there was a time they were very active on social media.
Kaya biglang halatang halata.
Kaya when it came to a screeching halt, 'di ba? Parang nagpreno bigla. So they made people think, ay, bakit ganon? Samantalang they were showing all the trips abroad. Nakapronta sa social media. Naka-post, 'di ba? Pero nothing of that sort is now happening. Wala. For the last 4 months, wala. Kaya hindi mo rin masisisi yung mga tao na
to speculate.
Na, teka, things were not this before.
Things were not as quiet as this.
Before, parang post lahat. Diba? The sweetest moments, yung rampa dito sa lahat ngayon. Wala ka na ngayon makikitang ganon. So, apparently, they were made to do some action.
Well, sabi mo nga kanina, they have learned their lessons the hardest way. Diba? And on that note, this is Awad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ulcho Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Saturday episode of The Kitty Show, ang Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition.